Your business can be completely real, completely active, and still look like several different businesses online. One source shows an old phone number. Another places you in the wrong area. A third describes a service you no longer offer. To a customer, that creates hesitation. To a search engine, directory, or AI system, it creates ambiguity. That is why local citations are no longer a race to collect more listings. They are public evidence. The real question is simple. When someone looks for your business, do the public facts point to the same reachable, understandable, trustworthy entity? Name, address, and phone still matter, but NAP is only the baseline. A useful public record also explains how the business operates, where it actually serves, how customers can reach it when it is available, what it provides, and why the claims are credible. Think about the customer journey. Can I find the right business? Can it serve me here? Can I contact it now? Does it offer what I need? And is there a reason to trust it? Your most important public sources should answer those questions without making the customer guess. That is why another low-value directory rarely solves a conflict. It usually creates one more copy that needs to be maintained. Start with a canonical facts sheet for every real location or service area. Lock the facts that cannot drift. The public name, operating model, customer-facing address or service boundary, contact route, hours, categories, and change history. Then separate those facts from descriptions that can flex by context without changing the real customer promise. Next, prioritize sources by decision value. Your website, business profile, booking paths, and actively maintained profiles come first. Then the sources customers actually use to compare, call, book, or get directions. Authority records, associations, partners, and genuine local proof can add confidence. Long-tail directories come last. Correct material errors there, but never let volume define the strategy. When a fact changes, fix the source of truth first. Update the website and business profile, then the major customer platforms, then the authority records, then the remaining copies. And be precise about place. A service area business should not look like a walk-in storefront. A multi-location business needs a record that reflects each real location. This can be managed in 45 days. Approve the facts, audit the important sources, correct the highest decision paths, document real proof, then recheck what customers actually experience. The result is not 500 citations. It is one public identity that is easier to find, easier to understand, and easier to trust. Accurate public records can reduce ambiguity. They do not guarantee a ranking, an AI mention, a citation, or a recommendation. But they give your business something stronger, a public record that holds together.